Come on. Come on. Yeah.
What's up, beauties? It's Deebeauty here, also known as Shy Hayes, and I'm back with another video. So this video I'm going to be doing like a, a lipstick swatch. And it's going to be featuring Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. So I'm going to be doing that for you guys. And it's about, there's a little sample I got from Bloomingdale's. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. It's going to be 8 samples. These shades, I'm going to be trying it on for you guys. And I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Deebeautyforever. Also on Snapchat at beautiful_haze, spelled with 2 E's. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. This is amazing. That means my little channel is growing to become a little bigger. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell notification when you subscribe, so that way you can always be notified.
Just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Taking me, but his skin's kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, 'cause I'm looking like class and he's looking like trash. Can't get rid of that beat ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Car and you're walking, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. You live at home with your mama, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. You have a shorty, but you don't show love, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money, oh no, I don't want no
definitely comment down below which shade is your favorite. Mine definitely have to be between Boss and Fresh. So beautiful. So definitely comment down below which one of these Laura Mercier lipsticks are your favorite. Definitely Boss and Fresh, both of my favorites. I'll see you guys in the next video.